Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto every day. And I just want to take a moment to tell you guys happy holidays, happy Thanksgiving, and really just thank all of you for supporting me and helping the O Show become the second largest female-run crypto YouTube channel in the world. Again, you guys, I'm one of the largest female crypto YouTube channels in the world. And I know gender can be kind of an issue in crypto and in general, but at the same time, I am the mother to a 5-year-old daughter. And I want to let her know that both men and women are important. And just because you're a girl, you can do it whatever it is you want. And that goes the same for boys too. But I wanted to go ahead and thank all of you guys for supporting me with your kindness, your comments, your likes, your shares, subscriptions, everything. It means the world to me, and I'm very, very grateful to be here. Some of you know about my early life and some of the struggles, some of the things I've survived and endured. So it just makes all of this success so much fun, and just thank you guys for being able to share with me. So I have something exciting I want to share with you, and then of course we're going to do a Bitcoin market update and some other things. Let's get into it. As some of you know, I have partnered with SuperDoge, and SuperDoge is an absolutely outstanding crypto coin, but they're more than just a crypto coin, and this is not sponsored at all. They reached out to me. They asked me if I would be interested in doing voice work for one of their characters, and I saw the cast, I saw the people behind it, I saw their credentials. They are all award-winning producers, writers, actors, everything in the space, all really good people. And I said yes. One of the reasons why I decided to say yes is because I can look back on this and show my daughter, and she can be proud of me. And it's just something really, really fun to do, something cool to do. So I wanted to go ahead and share the trailer with you.
SuperDoge, SuperDoge. It's not just a coin, it's a crypto show. SuperDoge, SuperDoge. Saving the world from the fiat control.
All right, let's get down to business and talk about Bitcoin. So there's a lot of analysts all over the place when it comes to TA, crypto, etc. Everybody has their opinions. And this article here from Crypto Potato, Bitcoin price analysis, was 55K the local bottom? Well, let's take a look, because we have done really great work on this show talking about price action and talking to you about what you could potentially expect. All right, so this is our 6-hour chart utilizing Market Cipher. Market Cipher works absolutely outstanding for 12-hour and 6-hour. I've tried it with the daily, with the 4-hour, but I just feel like it works a lot better on these timeframes. But anyways, I said that we needed to get back above $57,000. That was our key area of support. And now we've been able to actually successfully turn it into support. However, I still do need to see a flip of about $60,000 where this resistance is. And it looks like we're getting really close to getting up there and being able to flip it. So the local bottom was approximately $55,000. I was calling for 53, 54, so close enough, because again, you guys, support and resistance areas are not always 100%. There are more areas of where we can expect price to go. And it's important to know when you're going to enter into a position, you want to go ahead and stack your limit orders or sells, whatever it is. So we almost called it, wasn't quite there, but at the end of the day, that's okay. So right now, what I need to see for Bitcoin on this beautiful holiday is going to be about a $60,000 flip into support and then continue to climb upward. Once we get back in this range between 57.4 and about 67,000, I'm happy. I'm very, very good with that. Right now, looking at Market Cipher, it looks like we're getting ready to head up that way. Taking a look at the 12-hour, the 12-hour is also looking like we're going to head up that way and probably flip that area. So right now, Bitcoin looks good. Everything is looking good on the charts to me, but as always, you can always expect the unexpected in crypto, so just make sure that you're hedged accordingly. This next story is really annoying, but we do have to talk about it. So Hillary Clinton wants crypto regulation to protect the US dollar's reserve status. So I've talked about this on TikTok. I've talked about it on my socials, but basically what's happening is the legalized cartels are starting to lose power, and they know they're starting to lose power because of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. A great thing about blockchain technology is that it is a public ledger, so you can see all of the different transactions being passed through. Another thing that I will note and that I will say, we're going to see a lot more strict regulation coming because these people do not want to lose their power. And of course, they're worried about the US dollar getting defeated by Bitcoin or by a stable coin or whatever it may be. So overall, this is positive news for me long term because Bitcoin will be here to stay. But also, too, it is a bit worrisome because we don't know what these people are going to do. They don't care to learn about crypto. They don't care to utilize crypto and tax it correctly so that they can actually help the United States economy, as we're starting to see high levels of inflation and other issues impacting the lower middle class, and the poor. So they're not willing to really work with us, which is unfortunate. But at the same time, this is bullish long term for Bitcoin, in my personal opinion. But it is what it is, and we kind of got to take it and roll with it. And, you know, as always, reach out to your local politicians, your governments, etc. Write to your congressmen and women. And of course, we got to talk about this and NFTs. Adidas Originals hints at partnership with Coinbase. So on the official Adidas Original Twitter page, they said, "We've partnered with Coinbase, probably nothing." But if we go ahead and we look down here, it's really unknown why they tweeted this and what happened, but it did say in the article, while it's still unknown what the collaboration will entail, this will not be Adidas' first foray into crypto. The iconic sportswear firm partnered with the #1 overall pick at the 2021 NFL Draft, Trevor Lawrence, earlier this year to release a series of commemorative non-fungible tokens, NFTs. The proceeds from the 3D animated trading card collectibles went to support communities in Jacksonville, home of the Jaguars, which signed Lawrence. So basically, we're going to see a lot more companies like Adidas integrate into cryptocurrency when it comes to NFTs because they can make a lot of money. They want to capitalize on these. So I think it's an absolutely amazing idea. I just hope that they do not take advantage of these players because a lot of these players are not treated too terribly well when it comes to professional sports, and I'm not with that. I hope that the players are given full ownership of the NFTs and that the large companies like Adidas aren't necessarily taken too much of that. But anyways, positive news for the future, especially for NFTs. This next segment is sponsored by FACTR. And last time we covered FACTR, or FACTR, FACTR, they had successfully completed their sale and they are available for trading on Uniswap. So FACTR provides a bridge between traditional and decentralized finance through FACTR's decentralized platform. Asset originators from around the world could tap into a vast network of DeFi liquidity pools in order to acquire trade and invoice financing for their businesses. So essentially what they want to do is they want to help small businesses and entrepreneurs globally, which I absolutely love. FACTR bridges the gap between firms which are looking for financing but are unable to get it, and DeFi liquidity providers who are looking to earn secure, outperforming asset-backed yields. It is one of the first ever projects to bring real-world assets into the DeFi space. FACTR's platform is accessible for asset originators, lowering the barriers they face when entering the DeFi space, and it has risk profiles for each of its different asset classes, so liquidity providers have an understanding of who they're lending to and can choose a level of risk, corresponding yield, and which suits their requirements. This is really important to note because it is so hard to get a loan as a small business. Even in the United States, you can go to a bank, but they're still not going to give it to you. And I think that FACTR understands that. And another important thing to note is that even though they are initially an Ethereum-based project, FACTR is going to be adaptable to multiple protocols because of its partnership with Centrifuge, and it's going to be operating on the Altair chain. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sending love and light to you and your families. I hope you guys have an amazing holiday weekend. I will be live streaming tomorrow at 10 a.m. PT. And again, thank you guys so much for all the support. Bye-bye.